What's up everybody, my name is Phil and welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. So in today's video we're going to be reviewing some LED lights. So guys, we're going to be reviewing these LED lights. I'm going to show you a couple of different ways that you can use them, both in your vehicle, and then I'm going to put them in my trailer. So here's the company. It's called LEDMIRCY. And they actually reached out to me and sent me the products to try out. And I gotta say, that's actually pretty cool. They actually have a ton of different LED products. Check them out below. I actually linked a ton of stuff down below. And you can grab this set here, which I'm gonna show you in a minute. This actually goes in your vehicle. I'm gonna kind of fit it in my trailer, but it's designed to go in your vehicle. Has a cooler remote with all sorts of lights, different functions. And it's actually sound activated, which is really cool. It has different options for sound, and if you put it in your vehicle and you're playing your radio and it's loud, then the lights will actually strobe to the music, and there's like 4 different options on here, which is really cool. So let's check this out first. All right guys, so here are the lights. Now, you get these 4 strips and they're connected. 2 of them are longer, 2 of them are shorter, so obviously longer ones go in the rear seats, shorter ones go up front. And it's wired here to this little base, which you can connect underneath your dash. You have these little mounting points that you can mount. And then it has your little antenna here. And this goes right into your cigarette lighter with an on and off button. And then you have your little remote. So you can simply do your regular white light, or you can do all the different colors, or you can do different strobe effects on here. You can control the brightness. So yeah, we're going to see how this works in the vehicle first. So guys, here they're in my vehicle, and I believe I just have the white light on. So you can turn them off and on. Same with the back seat area. So now you can lower the light if you want. Or you can raise it. So let's put it on the highest. I'm going to close this light up here so now you can see. So let's just go through the colors. You have red, ooh, green. You have this nice blue. You have regular white. This is supposed to be orange. The color is a little off just on the camera, but that's red. That's a little bit deeper. That's orange. I guess that is more yellow, a different blue than that blue. It's more of a lighter blue. And then you have purple. Then you have different strobes. Yeah, I don't know if you want to be driving down the highway like that, but if you want. Then you have this one, a little bit different. Then you have the slow one. I actually like this one the best. It'll kind of like strobe in and out. And then you have this one that will gradually morph into different colors. I think I like this one the best, actually. Yep, that's kind of cool. So now you have voice activated. Now, I can't play any music in here because of copyright. With noise, you can kind of tell. I'm just snapping right in front of it, so that actually has that voice activation. It has like sound activation, and without sound, it'll just do this. It'll just kind of strobe through the lights until it hears more sound. So yeah, so imagine if you're playing music and it's got some bass or something to it, then it's going to kind of pump to the music, which is really nice. So you have 4 different options on there too. So a lot of nice options in here. So now let's check it out in the trailer. All right guys, so now to connect it in my trailer, here's what I did. I bought one of these, which I'll have a link to this down below. This is a handy device for perhaps mobile guys, because if you have power in your truck or in your trailer, basically what you do is you plug this in to your outlet, and it goes to the adapter here. And the adapter goes to a cigarette lighter. So right there is the cigarette lighter adapter, which you can plug this right into. So I'm rigging it up along the side here, and I have the little device right there, which is the remote control, and I'm going to wire each of the 4 LED lights onto the metal brackets here. So I have with me some nice little zip ties, so I'll have links to these down below as well. And you can get 4-inch ones, or you can get longer. I'm actually probably get 8-inch, but these are small, but I actually need to wrap 2 of them to be able to get around the square tubing here. So that's what I'm doing. I'm actually connecting 2 of them together and then securing them along the tubing. Now these lights are nice because they come with this adhesive strip on the back, so you just peel that off, stick it right up there. So let's do that. Seems pretty strong. So that adhesive is pretty strong. That looks like a really secure, a really secure bite up there. So we should be good. So now the excess I'll wrap up with the zip ties. All right, guys, moment of truth. We have our little red light. That's the on button on the car adapter. So everything is wired up. Let's see what happens. Whoa. All right, so this is now the trailer with the light set up. Yeah, I believe it's all the way on. So you'll notice that I have the car adapter up there. So it's rigged up in my trailer to the power outlet here, which I have rigged up to plug it into the house. So I wired everything up. So there's the remote right there. That's the little module. And I basically put it on each of the brackets here. And it's pretty bright. It's really nice. So now with the remote, I will just put it right here. So when I walk in and I need light, then I can just turn these on and off. So let's make sure everything works. Ooh, I kind of like that. So that's the white light. Orange, yellow, another blue, then purple. Testing all of the different strobe effects. Looks good. Now this is sound activated. So if I talk really loud, it does this. Different modes, 4 of them. Oh, this one's trippy. All right, that's enough playing around with the lights. So I'm pretty happy with that. They are adhered right to the beams here. Yeah, I am really happy with that. Now you'll notice there's 3 of them. The 4th one is actually on the other side here. Like so. It couldn't reach to the other beam, but that's fine. I'm walking in here all the time, you know, doing stuff, and sometimes at night I need to come in here. And now I will have my little remote ready to go. And now it's all rigged up. Gotta say, I'm pretty happy with it. So guys, that is my review on the LEDMIRCY LED lights. And I gotta say, I'm really happy with them. There's a bunch of other options down there if you want to look at them. Now, if you want to put these lights in your own personal vehicle, that's definitely an option to do. For me, I wanted to put them in my trailer because I always need more lighting in there anyway. And it worked out really, really well. I have a bunch of links down below to a ton of their LED products. They have different types of bar lights. They have those smaller LED lights that you can mount on the exterior of your vehicle. So they have a ton of different options, which is really nice. So definitely check them out. I'll have information to them down below. So guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it with others who may enjoy it. And guys, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. And guys, if you're interested in other reviews, how-to videos, or our interior and exterior detail videos, then click up there. That goes to our playlist with a ton of different videos that you can check out. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great week.